Hello and welcome back. Now from this video, we are going to shift our gear from Docker Basics to Docker Advanced. Our first topic is multi-stage builds. I want you to understand these concepts with great foundation. That's why I am going to create 5 videos specifically to explain this topic practically. So let's start with introduction first. Here in the introduction, I am going to give you introduction of Docker file again. Why? Because multi-stage build is a kind of Docker file having multiple stages. So let's start with the Docker file introduction, then we will go for the whole step-by-step process. A Docker file acts as a blueprint or recipe that Docker uses to build image automatically. We already use this and we have complete understanding about Docker file. If we are not going to use Docker file, we have to create our container and then whatever the necessary softwares we want, we have to add them manually. But if you are going to create Docker file and then once you will create image, then you can use this image directly in order to create container. Docker file allows you to define custom environment tailored specifically for your application needs. By defining Docker file, you enable automated builds of your Docker images, ensuring consistent and repeatable configuration. Once you have your image and if you want to create multiple containers from the image, all the container will get same kind of configuration. We are already aware about this, right? I just gave you brief introduction of Docker file. Now, here we have types of Docker files. Now we don't know about it, right? So let me explain you this. We have standard Docker file and we have multi-stage Docker file. If we are talking about standard Docker file, this type of Docker file includes a series of instructions to set up environment, copy application file, install dependency and configure the runtime command. We already use this and we are already aware about this, but what's new over here in the multi-stage Docker file? An advanced type of Docker file that uses multiple from statement and creates separate stages for building and deploying application. It allows for more efficient, secure and cleaner setup by separating build environment from the production environment. I just gave you brief introduction about multi-stage Docker file, but you can only understand this scenario if you are aware about these two terminology. First, it is build and the another one is deploy. If you are using Windows environment, I know that you are not aware about it. Yes, if you are using Linux environment and you have ever added or installed Java-based application or any application on a Linux environment, definitely you will understand this build and deploying stage. Now, we are going to start everything from zero. We want that your foundation of multi-stage builds will be very strong. I want you to understand this build stage and deployment stage first. Then if we are going for the multi-stage Docker file, you can understand the whole concept. So what I am doing right now.
Sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Atara, updates and completion certification as well. still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.